Hey guys, firstly, look at this channel. This channel has over 2 lakh subscribers, only in 136 video. And the key point is that this channel is uploading video made with only AI. It is gaining thousands of views in every video, and this is one of the most viral video on this channel. Watch this.
In the quiet town of Bethlehem, a child named Jesus was born to Mary, a simple maiden, and Joseph, a humble carpenter. This was no ordinary birth. Prophets had foretold his coming, heralding him as the Messiah, the beacon of hope and light for mankind. As whispers of this miraculous birth spread, King Herod, feeling his throne was at risk, ordered a brutal massacre of innocent children.
This channel is earning $4,000 to $68,000 per month, and I also made a video in same topic, so watch it.
In Bethlehem, Jesus Christ was born to Mary and Joseph, fulfilling ancient prophecies. Fleeing King Herod's wrath, they sought refuge in Egypt. At 12, Jesus amazed scholars with his wisdom. At 30, he began his ministry, choosing 12 disciples, healing the sick, performing miracles, and spreading messages of love and forgiveness. Betrayed by Judas, Jesus was crucified but forgave his enemies. On the 3rd day, he resurrected, proving his divinity. After appearing to many, he ascended to heaven, leaving the promise of the Holy Spirit and changing history forever.
In this video, I will tell you the complete process of making these videos, by which you can also make channel like this and earn thousands of dollars per month. So guys, let's go. In this step, you have to select a topic for a video. You can also take a topic from this channel or others' channel like this. So we will take the topic from this video. We will make a story of this video. So we will download this video from any YouTube video downloader. For writing script, you have to go to GPT and upload that video here and paste this text. You can pause the video and take the screenshot of this prompt because this is a premium prompt which I have written. So you can take a screenshot or you can write according to you in your story. After that, we will hit the enter button, but after uploading a video, ChatGPT won't be able to give you the result. We have to provide a brief summary of the story or key points. After this result, I started talking to ChatGPT. You can see here. After chatting with ChatGPT, it told me that it cannot view or process the video directly. It can only process the text, and it also said that you can upload a transcript or script of the video. So we will try that. Now we have to go to that video and open the description of that video. After this, click the transcript button. Now simply copy the whole script from here and paste that into ChatGPT. After that, we will copy the text we have provided before and paste that also here. Now ChatGPT is giving us the best story and prompts for the best visuals. For image generation, you have to open Glif AI. You will get this interface. Simply click to build here. After that, click image generator. Simply copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste. Now you have to do one more thing. You have to cut this 16:9 video size text because we will select here our video size. You have to write here 3D Pixar style. You have to write this in every prompt. Now select generation model here. I recommend you that select Flux Pro 1.1 Ultra and select image size. After this, you have to click on run this Glif and your image will be generated. Simply save this image. These images are so good and level of these images is high, so we have gotten the best images for our video. Now we will have to animate these images. For animating images, you have to open your new tab and search for Kaiber AI. Simply go to this website and simply sign up with temporary mail because this website gives you only 200 credits, which is not enough for making your video. So you have to generate a video from these tools. We will generate one by one. Now I have generated videos. After this, we will create a voice for our video. So we will open 11 Labs and select our voice here. After this, we will go to ChatGPT and write here that I want short summary of our Jesus Christ story, around 50 seconds for YouTube video. You can also change prompt according to you. So ChatGPT has given us the summary of that story. We will copy this story from here and paste that into 11 Labs. After that, we will select a good voiceover artist and generate the voice. Here now we will enter into our last step, which is video editing. For video editing, you can use any software you want. I am using CapCut, so open CapCut and import your videos. And here, now simply put that videos and voice into timeline and adjust videos according to your voice. You can use transition also. I am adding some transition here. You can use no copyright music here. No, our video editing is completed and you can watch this video. With the help of this strategy, you can make your channel and build audience. If you have some audience like that channel, you can earn thousands of dollars per month. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for earning related updates.